Sometimes we need to give the brightness to our HTML element and sometimes the blur to our HTML element and also the contrast and sometimes the box shadow and the opacity. And we can give such types of property in CSS through the filter property. So let's create here the another file here and name as the CSS filter.html. And at first I want to use the boilerplate from here and I want to change this document into the CSS filter PROPR to a property PROPR to a property, and inside the head section I want to create the style HTML element to make the internal CSS, and inside the body section I want to insert one image here. We can style this we can style the HTML element also, but I'm gonna use here the one image, and I will use the image tag here, and inside the src I want to use the demo.jpg. This is my picture, and if this image is not found, then I want to give here one message that is image not found, FOUND found. And after that, first of all, let's run this code by pressing on the go live options from here. And this code is running and I got this one demo image. This is my original image. And we can style this image using the different filter property from here. And inside the style tag, I want to use delete the filter property. And if I write, first of all, let's select this image here and let's type the filter, okay? And if I select the filter here, you can see the different value in the filter. So you can choose the blur, brightness, contrast, drop shadow, and you can practice it by yourself also. Let's explore some of these examples here. And if I choose the blur here, and I can give the blur in a pixel. So if I write here the 2 pixel, and if I go to the browser, now I got this image goes into the blur. So if I change this 2 pixel into only the 1 pixel, then this is the 1 pixel blur. And also I can give in the point like 0.8 or 9 pixel. So 0.8 pixel, this is 0.8 pixel blur, okay? And if you want to use the another property at the same time, then you can use it by just type the contrast or another property and give the contrast percentage. If I write here 80%, and if I go to the browser, now I have applied the 2 property here. One is the blur, that is 0.8 pixel blur, and 80% contrast. So likewise, you can add more property here, but I want to use the another property in separate, like if I type here colon again, you can see here another one is the brightness. And if I type here the 80%, then this image will goes into the 80% brightness. And if I type here the 100% brightness, then it will goes into the 100% brightness. So after that, you can use the another property from here, that is the drop shadow. And we can give the shadow property in HTML element by using the box shadow property. And also we can use simply the drop shadow functions from here. You can use here 10 pixel for horizontal, 10 pixel for vertical, and 2 pixel for broad. And I'm giving here the red as the color. And if I go to here, now I got the 10 pixel horizontal, 10 pixel vertical, and 2 pixel broad. And this is red color. This is our box shadow. And if I want to use here another property, that is I can use here the grayscale. This is used to make our image black and white. So if I give image 50% black and white, if I need my image 50% black and white, then I can give the grayscale value 50%. If I want to make 100% black and white, then I can give the 100% here. And now you can see this image is converted into 100% black and white. And also we can use the another property like the opacity property and then the other remaining property. So let's see here like the U rotate value, and U rotate value we have already discussed this value in the HSL video, that is color video, CSS color video. And U has the value from the 0 to 360. So if I give the 90 degree, DEG means degree, and if I go to here, now this image color is converted into the U rotate value into 90 degree. And if I want to write here the another value here, if I again search here and if I give the value into the invert, then you can try the invert value from here. This will change into the invert value. Likewise, you can give the opacity value. So we can apply the opacity value from 0 to 1. And if I type the 0.5 here, now this brightness, or you can say the transparent, is converted into the 0.5. So likewise, if you do not want to use any property here, and then you can simply type here non-property, okay? Any non property. And if I go to the browser here, now this is my original image. And you can practice the remaining property in value by yourself. And if you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Thank you so very much.